In this tutorial, you'll learn how to forward calls to external numbers in a flow in SalesCaptain. Let's dive in. Let's jump right in. Head over to your call flows page at Captain Labs and click on an existing call flow to open it up in the Flow Builder. Now drag a Ring to Team element onto the canvas, click to edit it, and select your sales team from the drop-down. Next, drag a forward element onto the editor and click on it to open its configuration settings. In this pop-up, you can toggle forward only if unanswered. Then enter the external phone number you'd like calls forwarded to and hit Save. And keep in mind, if you want to forward internally instead, you'd use a Ring to User or Ring to Team element here. That's all there is to it. Click Save on your flow and you'll be taken back to the Call Flows overview where you can see your updated flow is live and active. And that's it. Head to salescaptain.com to start your free trial today.